In this video, we are going to learn how to derive the equation for Schrodinger time-independent equation. So let's first write the classical wave equation, which is dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square equal to 1 by Vw square into dou square psi by dou t square, where Vw is the wave velocity. Let's name this equation as equation 1. Equation 1 can also be written as del square psi equal to 1 by Vw square into dou square psi by dou t square, where this del square is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. It's the value of del square. And there is a formula for psi, which is psi equal to psi naught e power minus I omega t. Let's name this equation. Let's name this equation as 2 and this equation as 3. We are going to differentiate this equation 3 with respect to t. That will become dou psi by dou t equal to this psi naught is constant, this e power minus omega t, this minus I omega will get down and remaining as it is. Now again we are going to differentiate with respect to t. Now this will become dou square psi by dou t square, and again one I omega will come, then remaining as it is. Now this minus minus will become plus, and I into I square, omega into omega square, remaining as it is. Now the value of I square is minus 1, and this psi naught e power minus omega t is psi. Then substituting the values, minus omega square psi. Let's name this equation as equation 4. Now substitute equation 4 in this second equation. That will become dou square psi equal to 1 by Vw square into minus omega square psi. Now bring the RHS to LHS, plus omega square by Vw square into psi equal to 0. Name this equation as equation 5. Now angular frequency omega equal to 2 pi mu. Here mu equal to Vw by lambda, so 2 pi into Vw by lambda. Now move that Vw into LHS, which will become omega by Vw equal to 2 pi by lambda. Now we want omega square by Vw, so we want to square it on both sides. So this will become omega square by Vw square equal to 4 pi square by lambda square. Let's name this as equation 6. Now substitute equation 6 in equation 5, we get del square psi plus 4 pi square by lambda square psi equal to 0. Name this as equation 8. And we know that lambda equal to h by mvp. So substitute in this lambda square psi plus 4 pi square. This will become all square h square by m square vp square into psi equal to 0. Move this denominator to numerator. It become dou square psi plus 4 pi square m square vp square by h square psi equal to 0. Let's name as equation 9. Now consider E as total energy, V as potential energy, and we know that kinetic energy formula is half mv square. So half mvp square as kinetic energy, where Vp is the velocity of the particle. So total energy equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So potential energy plus half mvp square. Move that v into left side. So E minus V equal to half mvp square. Move that 2 into left side, which will become 2 into E minus V equal to mvp square. Now here mvp square is there. Now here m square vp square is there. So we want to make this as m square. So multiply m on both sides. So 2m into E minus V equal to m square vp square. So name this as equation 10. Substitute equation 10 in equation 9. Del square psi plus 4 pi square into 2m E minus V psi by h square equal to 0. Now multiply this 4 into 2, dou square psi plus 8 pi square m into E minus V psi by h square equal to 0. Name this as equation 11. This above equation is called Schrodinger time independent equation. Now